Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel. It's displayed on the video itself. So we're looking into real exam questions. So the next one is Thomas More Street to Feldmore Close. So let's see where our red and green points are. So we start always from the green point and move towards the red point. So there might be a couple of options available for this route, but we'll try to take the one that is quite straight and simple, because that's what they actually look into in the exam as well. So let's start from here. So to begin with, just click on the green point, and then we can just start moving. So click on it, and we need to just go towards the right side. So keep on moving, don't touch these sidelines and stay on the left side, and we'll go up from here. Keep going up. Yeah, so straight from here again. We know that our point is right on the top if you look at it. So let's see here. So that's where the point is. So we know that, okay, we are on the right track. All right, so carry on going up, and then from here we can turn right from here, and then we can take this road, the Cambridge Road. So we'll just keep on going up. So from here is kind of a straight route for now. Okay, and we know that it is correct because we need to go up. So this is why it looks correct from here. So we'll just carry on going up, straight up from here, and then from here we can zoom out and see where our point is once again, just to be sure. Yeah, that's fine. So it seems like it is correct for now. So we'll just keep on going up from here. Right, so you always need to check like this once you carry on going, so you can quickly zoom out and have a look whether you are on the right path or not. Right, so keep going straight from here, and then we can't go towards the where it shows the water or the right side, so we're gonna turn left from here. Take this Rose Amherst Road and then turn right from here because we're still going up from here. So keep going straight from here, and then again we can go towards the left side and straight up towards our point. Zoom out, have a look. Yeah, we are on the right track. So we take the second exit from this roundabout, if you see. So do around that circle so that it shows that okay, it's a roundabout, and then we'll just carry on going up and keep going up from here. Just avoid the sidelines, like I always mention on that, and then keep going straight up. Right, straight up, and then from here you can see that we can turn left towards the red point because there's no restriction on this. So just turn left and then on the right and click on the red button. So let's zoom out and see, and you can see it by yourself that it is the most straight and the simple route that we have taken. So once again, it is a bit longer, the route, but it's just again depends on how you plan. So make sure you just zoom out, look at it, which path you need to take, because you could have taken another one from here that can go this way, and then you can go straight up, right? But this is what you need to see, okay, which one is going to be the most straight and the simple route. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.